As I sat down with the brush-on gel kit to do my nails 30 minutes before the limo was going to arrive, I really only wanted to hear the thoughts of the other bridesmaids who were sitting, hair done, nail done, everything did, ready to go. I wanted to know what they were thinking. I knew I wasn't going to get a perfect job. I only got one coat of gel and I could see this ridge. Didn't like it, but from a distance, I'd say that was pretty darn good for less than 30 minutes. I mean, hello. So tonight I'm gonna file them all the way down and put another coat of gel and try to play softball tomorrow. So half of this length, most of this length is gonna be gone. Peace. Shout out to Kish Brush on Gel Kit though, because they actually had tips that were almost small enough. I still had to file the sides, but you know, yeah, 30 minute job. And that was from sizing and everything. Look at that ridge though, it's kind of bad. But I feel like mission accomplished for the pictures. So I got a call earlier today to play my violin on Saturday. So the redesign is a little different. But this is what we got. I cut this one super short because I need to be able to play. Got a nice little smooth set thing going on. No more ridges. No more ridges. This one's a little bit longer because it doesn't matter as much. Got a little excited with the file. There, see, filed off a little more than I planned on. But overall, that one too. But overall, this, and yeah, that edge there, see? Overall, I fixed them. Didn't catch it earlier, this is the kit I used. Kiss Brush On Gel Nail Kits. Fireworks outside, that's cool. Okay, but yeah, and I used the French tips, obviously, not these. Apparently I can do 2 full manicures, which I never actually end up doing, but that's cool because these are natural tips, so you'd have to paint over them. Shout out to my $11 manicure. And is any manicure really complete without posing with a bottle or something like that? No, it's not. It's never complete. Now it's complete.